Hi everyone, welcome back to Mechanical Moments. What if I told you this watch costs less than a dinner but has wartime 5 alarms, a 10-year battery, 100 meter water resistance, stopwatch, countdown timer, and one of the coolest retro designs ever made. And somehow people compare it to watches that cost hundreds of dollars. This is the legendary Casio AE1200, also known by fans as the Casio Royale. And today we are doing a full review: design, comfort, hidden features, real world use, setup tutorial, pros and cons, and whether this watch is still worth buying in 2026. Let's go. This watch became famous because it looks like something straight out of a spy movie. Retro, functional, affordable, and honestly it might be the greatest value watch Casio ever made. The first thing you notice is the design. This doesn't look like a normal cheap digital watch. It looks tactical, it looks futuristic, it looks like a gadget from the 1980s future. And that's exactly why people love it. The AE1200 has a square case, a world map display, a digital clock, and this tiny analog style display in the corner. That little analog display is actually genius. Even when you use the timer or stopwatch, you can still see the time. Most cheap watches can do that. And look at this stainless steel bracelet version. Honestly, it looks way more expensive than $40. This is one of those watches where strangers ask, "Wait, what watch is that?" Fans call this watch the Casio Royale. Why? Because it looks similar to the watch from James Bond movies, especially from the Roger Moore era. And Casio accidentally created this amazing retro spy aesthetic. You get the world map, multiple time zones, digital gadgets, metallic look. It feels like a tiny computer on your wrist. And the craziest part, it costs less than many phone cases. Now let's talk about the build quality. First, the case is resin, so yes, it's technically plastic. But honestly, Casio plastic is different. This thing is light, super comfortable, and surprisingly durable. People use this for travel, work, gym, hiking, daily wear, even swimming. Now the bracelet version uses stainless steel, and for this price, the bracelet is actually very good. It's lightweight, doesn't pull hair too much, and gives the watch a classy retro look. But there are some downsides. The crystal is acrylic, that means it will scratch eventually. So this is not a luxury sapphire crystal watch. This is more like use it everywhere and don't worry about it. And honestly, that's part of the charm. This watch is a tool, not jewelry. One reason this watch became so popular is comfort. It's incredibly lightweight. Sometimes you almost forget you are wearing it. And because the case is not huge, it fits small wrists, medium wrist, and even larger wrist pretty well. Compared to modern smartwatches, this feels refreshingly simple. No charging every night, no notifications, no stress, just time. Now let's talk about the display. This is where the AE1200 becomes really interesting. You get the main time, day, date, world map, and analog style time display. At first it looks complicated, but after one day it becomes super easy to read. The world map is not just decoration, it actually shows your selected time zone area. That is such a cool detail. And the display is very clear in daylight. The negative, viewing angles are average, and at night you'll need the LED light. Speaking of that, the LED light is surprisingly good. It has this classic amber Casio glow. Very retro, very cool, and honestly using this light at night feels weirdly satisfying. Casio fans know exactly what I mean. This watch can track 31 time zones and 48 cities. That's insane for this price. If you travel, work internationally, or just like cool gadgets, This feature is amazing. You can instantly switch between cities. And the world map updates automatically. You also get a 1/100th second stopwatch. Simple, reliable, easy to use. Prefer to work out, timing tasks, or pretending you are in a spy movie. And yes, it has a countdown timer. Here are the buttons. Top left, adjust. Bottom left, mode. Top right, light. Bottom right, search or start. That's it. 4 buttons that control everything. How to set the main time. First, make sure you are on the main screen. This is important. If you are in a wartime mode, you'll only change cities. A lot of people make this mistake. So press the mode button a few times until you see the main clock, the date, and the day. For example, Monday to Tuesday or Wednesday. Now we are ready. Hold up the top left button, adjust, until the numbers start flashing. Perfect. Now you are inside the settings menu. Use the mode button to move between settings. Seconds, hours, minutes, year, months, date, and 12 or 24-hour format. And use the search button to change values. Simple. Here's a cool trick. If you want the watch perfectly accurate, go to the second setting, open clock on your phone, and exactly when your phone hits 0 seconds, press search button. Boom. Now your watch is perfectly synced. That feels weirdly satisfying. Now if you live in Finland, like me, you might notice something strange. There is no Helsinki. Yeah, Casio skipped it. So instead choose Athens, ATH. Athens uses the same time zone as Finland. And make sure DST is on during summer. Otherwise your watch will be 1 hour behind. DST means daylight saving time, basically summertime. If your watch is showing 1 hour wrong, this is usually the reason. Inside settings, find DST and turn it on. Simple. In winter, you can turn it off again. Prefer military time? Easy. Inside the settings, go to 12-24-hour mode, then press the search button. Now you can switch between 12-hour and 24-hour format. Personally, 24-hour mode just feel cooler on this watch. Now let's talk about one of the best features, world time. Press the mode button until you reach world time mode. Now use the search button to scroll through cities and watch this little world map change. Honestly, this feature never gets old. It makes the watch feel like a tiny spy gadget. You can quickly check New York, Tokyo, London, Dubai, all in seconds. And if a city looks 1 hour wrong, that usually means DST needs to be turned on for that city. This watch has 5 alarms, which honestly crazy for this price. Press mode until you reach alarm ALM. Now use the search button to choose AL1, AL2 all the way to AL5. Hold the adjust button. Now the hours start flashing. Use mode button to move. Search button to change numbers. Then press adjust to save. Done. And yes, you can also turn on alarms or turn them off. Next, the stopwatch. Press mode until you reach STW. Now press the search button to start. Press it again to stop. And press the adjust button to reset. Simple, fast, reliable, exactly how a Casio should feel. Now the countdown timer. Honestly, I use this feature all the time. Gym, cooking, work sessions. studying, go to TMR mode. Hold the adjust button, set hours, minutes, or seconds. Then press the search button to start the countdown. That's it, super useful. And of course, the legendary amber backlight. Press the top right button, light, and look at that. That retro orange glow looks so good at night. Casio fans know exactly what I'm talking about. Quick summary. So basically, mode button, change modes, adjust, enter setting and save. Button right, search button. Change value or start features. Top right, light. Once you learn that, the whole watch becomes incredibly easy to use. And honestly, that's part of why people love these things so much. So now, pros and cons. What I love: insane value, iconic design, lightweight comfort, 10-year battery, amazing travel features, reliable Casio durability, and timeless retro style. This watch has personality, and that's rare today. Now the negatives. The acrylic crystal scratches easily, the buttons are slightly stiff, and the setup can feel confusing at first, but honestly for this price, these are tiny complaints. The Casio AE1200 is more than just a cheap watch. It's fun, it has character, it reminds people why they fell in love with watches in the first place. And in a world full of expensive smart devices, this little Casio somehow feels refreshing, simple, reliable, cool. And honestly, that's why people still love it after all these years. If you want one affordable watch, a perfect travel watch, a fun retro piece, or just something different, this is easy to recommend. The Casio Royale absolutely deserves the hype. So, would you wear the Casio Royale? Let me know in the comments and tell me, team silver bracelet or black resin strap. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.